Just sitting here enjoying myself in my car, eating some chips and Cheez-Its. You can see in my glasses the reflection. Yep, that's what I'm seeing. I'll show you. Yep, just enjoying myself. Nose is getting a little runny. It started to get real cold. Right when the sun came out, when I was doing my drone. It was like, it got really warm. And sorry, I'm like mesmerized by the scenery. Trying to swallow my chips too. Anyways, what I was trying to say is the sun came out and it was really warm. It felt so good to have the sun on me. And then the sun went away because the clouds, because I think it's going to snow here probably within 3 or 4 hours. It'll start to snow. So I don't got much time to hang out here. Oh yeah, I got this cool, I don't know if you can tell, like a poncho kind of like thing. It's all made of like alpaca hair. It's pretty cool. It's warm. I like it. I like how it's black and red. That's my favorite colors, the black, red, gray. But yeah, I'll turn it around so you guys can see. Yep, it's pretty cool, don't you think? Pretty awesome. we go. Now I can zoom. Isn't that cool? Yeah, pretty awesome. I want to dump my chips. But anyways, guys, well, my journey ends here. I'm gonna hang out for a while. This part's probably really boring for you guys, so I'm not gonna record too much. But I thank you guys for watching. For those that like to watch my stuff, thank you. I appreciate it, you know. Some people find this stuff boring, but if you're like at home and you're bored and you just want to like sit down and watch YouTube for like an hour, you know, click on my video and watch it and go on the adventure with me. I try to do the best I can in editing. I'm not the best at it. Still learning. Takes a while. Plus I don't got the right, you know, editing software. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate everything you guys do. And when you comment, you can comment if you want. Just don't try to be rude, you know. That's all I got to say about that. Some people are like, you know, it's mainly about my car. I don't really care. That car, you know, I'm going to get it fixed here soon. The power steering pump's going bad. It's a lot of work. I might get rid of it, but I've been looking into a new Outback. I've been having my eye. I want the 3.6R Outbacks, like a 2019 3.6R. That would be awesome. Then I can use regular gas instead of premium. I can put a lift on it, put cool tires. It'll be cool. It'll be awesome. There's one that I have on my list, my car guru list, that I like put a heart on. It's probably gone by now because it's all gray and black inside interior. It's a pretty cool car. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, the adventure begins on another one. Oh, that's a blooper. Don't do it, Chips. What did I tell you? Jeez. Chips don't listen, do they? Ba-da-da-da-da-da.